If you run a business in Seattle, staying compliant can feel overwhelming. I'm Rob Schenk with Intelligent Technical Solutions. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how we help leaders stay compliant, secure, and audit-ready. Who we help and problems we solve. We help small and medium-sized businesses, typically in the 40 to 250 employee range, and these companies will often face rising regulatory pressure while systems and vendors keep changing. We guide health-related data handling under the My Health, My Data Act. Now, common problems we see include unclear scopes, gaps in identity controls, unpatched systems, missing evidence for audits, and no single view of responsibility across IT and cybersecurity. What you get. We provide the foundation and the follow-through. We provide gap assessments that identify compliance risks, and then we map them to security controls. We provide step-by-step roadmaps to guide improvements by priority and level of effort. We audit preparation for SOC 2, CMMC, PCI DSS, HIPAA, FTC safeguards, and others. Security protections include multi-factor authentication, encryption methodologies, endpoint detection and response technologies, and real-time monitoring across your endpoints, your network, and your cloud assets. We provide safeguards for data across your patient, customer, and financial records. We provide government contracting support for pre-award and ongoing requirements. We provide IT support for OSHA-related safety requirements where technology is in scope. How it works. Step 1. We'll perform a discovery call to confirm your goals, your deadlines, and your regulatory scope. Step 2. We'll go ahead and perform a compliance and security assessment to benchmark your current risk. We'll gather appropriate evidence, and we'll go ahead and build your security and compliance roadmap. Step 3. Execution and oversight. We'll go ahead and close those security gaps. We'll prepare appropriate artifacts, we'll train your users, and we'll keep leadership updated with clear metrics that make sense. Most clients move from discovery to measurable progress in about 4 to 6 weeks' time, with quick wins in week 1 and 2. Investment. Level of investment will depend on scope, the number of users, the level of your data sensitivity, and any frameworks that may be in play. Most clients choose a per user per month managed package partnered with a fixed scope, assessment, and remediation plan. During the discovery phase, we provide a clear proposal with clear responsibilities, actionable timelines, and overall investment costs so you can go ahead and budget with confidence. Who is not a fit? We may not be the right partner if you only want a one-time checklist without any operational changes, or if leadership will not adopt basic controls like two-factor authentication, or if you cannot assign an internal owner for approvals and communication. Sustainable compliance practices really require a shared accountability model. Clients choose us for measurable outcomes that they can defend during an audit. Clean access controls, tested backups and recovery, complete evidence packages and documentation, and clear readiness reports are needed for boards and auditors. Our teams will coordinate with your team members and vendors to keep these projects on schedule and reduce all sorts of noise to keep the process going smoothly. If you want a clear path to compliance that holds up under scrutiny, then let's talk. Click the Schedule a Meeting button, and we'll go ahead and benchmark your environment. We'll identify your compliance and security gaps, and we'll deliver a plan aligned to your industry requirements.